In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional Shopify homepage. Whether you're just starting out or looking to polish your current store, this guide will help you create a welcoming and effective digital storefront. The first step in this process is choosing the right theme. Shopify offers a plethora of themes, both free and paid, each designed to cater to different aesthetic preferences and product types. Take some time to browse through their library and pick one that resonates with your brand and fits within your budget. Remember, this theme will serve as your store's backbone, so choose wisely. Once you've selected a theme, it's time to dive into the customization process. Start by crafting a brand-style guide that includes essential elements like your logo, typography, and color palette. Consistency here is key. This style should be reflected not only on your website, but also across all your social media channels and any other marketing materials. Adding high-quality product images and videos will enhance your showcase and attract more customers. Additionally, consider investing in a custom domain name to elevate your brand's professionalism. Designing for user experience is the next critical component. Aim for a clean and focused layout that delivers a clear message without clutter. Your navigation should be intuitive, meaning menus and search functionalities must be easy for customers to use. Incorporate strategic banners or sections to highlight key promotions and best-selling products. Social proof is invaluable, so include reviews, testimonials, and trust badges to bolster your store's credibility. Given the rise of mobile shopping, ensure your homepage is mobile-friendly and seamless across all devices. A newsletter sign-up form is a great addition, encouraging visitors to stay connected through updates and promotions. And don't forget a contact page, allowing customers to easily reach out with any questions or concerns. For those looking to optimize for conversions, having a strong call to action is essential. Make it crystal clear what you want your customers to do next, be it shop now or add to cart. Secure payment options are also crucial, instilling confidence by offering various trusted methods. Consider implementing a live chat feature to provide immediate support, addressing any customer queries that could boost their confidence to purchase. Once your homepage is set up, it's important to test and refine its performance. Utilize Shopify's analytics to monitor key metrics such as traffic, bounce rate, and conversion rate. This data will guide you in identifying areas for improvement. Perform A/B tests on different elements like layouts, images, and copy to see which combinations yield the best results. Lastly, actively seek customer feedback about your website's design and user experience. These insights can provide invaluable pointers for ongoing enhancements. By following these steps, you'll craft a professional and engaging Shopify homepage that sets the stage for e-commerce success.